Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. I know you are surprised to see me. Yes, but from today, I am going to take you forward henceforth. Okay? I'll teach you the remaining lessons of 8th standard mathematics. So let's begin. And moreover, our periods, as usual, they are on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. That 3 periods, and in addition to that, I'll be posting my video on Sunday afternoon. Okay, or most probably in the evening also it may come, but you should be ready to study that. Okay, to watch that video and study the examples that I will be giving. Okay, so let's begin. So you were studying algebraic expressions and identities, and I think you have studied like terms, unlike terms. First, what is meant by algebraic expressions, then like terms, unlike terms, then you have studied addition. And now from today we are going to start with subtraction. Okay? If the basics are clear, like terms and unlike terms, if you know, it's not difficult to study subtraction. Now, definitely we can do subtraction by 2 ways. One is horizontal way and the other is vertical way. Okay? So here we are going to solve the examples by vertical method. Okay? So subtract. I have taken one example. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. So first what we will do, we will write the terms. So what it is said, you have to subtract this term, this algebraic expression from this. So this has to be written first. Understand the question and go accordingly. Okay, so first I will write this. So 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. And then from this we are going to subtract this. So while placing this we have to be very careful. See the powers, see the like terms, and accordingly you place that term below that particular term. Okay, so I am going to do what? Subtraction. So minus sign, that is most important. In your text it is not shown, but you need to write that. Okay, now, so 5x square. So where it has to be placed? Below 7x square. Okay. Then, what is the next term? Minus 4y square. Where it is? Here it is xy. Here it is y square. Like term. Okay. So, minus 4y square. Right? Then, plus 6y, y. So where is y? Oh yes, here it is. So it is plus 6y and minus 3. Now here I don't have any constant term. So it will be separate, minus 3. Do you understand? Now I am doing subtraction. So when subtraction is being done, what is subtraction? Subtraction is nothing but adding the opposite of the number to be subtracted. You have studied that very well. So here sign changes have to be done. Okay, and that sign changes should be shown in the brackets so that I'll remember, I'll come to know which operation I have to perform. I'll tell you. Right. So here the sign is plus. So minus into plus. Yes, minus. Okay, then see here, minus into minus. Oh yes, exactly. Minus into minus plus. You can circle them, doesn't matter. I actually circle, but now here I have shown in brackets. Okay, then minus into plus. Absolutely right, minus. And minus into minus. Yes, it is plus. Okay, now we can draw the line. Now we are ready to do the operations. Okay, now here 7x square minus, I am going to take the sign into account which is in the bracket. Okay, so 7x square minus 5x square. So x square as it is. We write the variable as it is, and what we do subtraction of the coefficients. So 7 minus 5, regular subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now here there is nothing, so this term will come as it is. Okay, so minus 4xy. Okay, then see here, plus 8y plus 8y square plus 4y square. Simple addition, y square as it is, and 8 plus 4, 12, and as it is plus, it will come plus only. Both are having the same sign. Then here 5x, there is no term here, so as it is, it will come down. So plus 5x. Okay, now see, minus 3y minus 6y. Similarity in the sign, go for addition, give the same sign. Okay, so y comes here as it is. So what I said, see the signs, are they similar? Yes, they are. Of course they are similar. So if the signs are similar, you have to go for addition. So 6 plus 3, 9. And then what I said, give the same sign. What the sign they have? Minus. So you have to give minus sign. Okay, and here plus 3. So in this way you are supposed to do subtraction. I hope you have understood. Okay, now one thing I would like to tell you, subtraction means addition of the opposite. So what we have done here, this is plus 5x square. So opposite of it is minus 5x square. So we have added. That means finally we have done subtraction. Okay, same thing here. All the sign changes, they take place in that manner. Okay, so moreover, secondly, sign changes should be shown in the bracket, and that are to be followed in subtraction. Okay, and why we show them in bracket? So that we remember I have to use that particular sign, so that I will perform that particular operation. Okay, so let's move to the exercise 9.1. Now see, exercise 9.1, question 1. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. Now there are total 6 examples. I am going to solve 3 of them, first, third and fifth. Okay, so what you are supposed to do, you have to identify the terms and their coefficients. Okay, so first one I have written here. So what are the terms in it? So I am making here 2 columns. Okay, so what are the terms? How many terms are there? First thing, there are 2 terms. Which are they? 5xyz square and minus 3zy. Okay, so 5xyz square, that is one term, and the next term is minus 3zy. Okay, and what is the coefficient for first one? Yes, says yes, exactly, it is 5. And for second, absolutely right, minus 3. Right, same way here. Okay, now this is third one, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. How many terms are there? Can you? Yes, there are 3 terms, exactly. So terms, okay, and coefficient. Okay, now, so first term 4x square y square, second term along with their signs. Don't forget that, because this minus is a naughty fellow. He does some notorious things, and so he will give you anda. You know? Yes. So don't forget that naughty fellow. Okay? And so minus 4x square y square z square. That is next term. And the last term. Yes, obviously, z square. It is plus z square. So no need to write here plus. You know that. Okay. Now here, what is the coefficient? Yes, exactly 4. And here, oh yes, you are right, minus 4. And what is here? Oh my God, there is nothing. Is it? Is it? No, yes. What is there? Exactly 1. Right, you are absolutely right. There is 1 here. Now, third one. Terms and coefficient. Okay, how many terms are there in this example? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Okay, so first term, x upon 2. Am I right? Right. Second, y upon 2. And the third, minus xy. Now what is the coefficient? Oh my God, it is denominator upon 2. Means what? See here. Simple thing. When I say 5xyz square means what? 5 into xyz square. Right? When I say minus 3zy means what? Minus 3 into zy. Similarly, when I say x upon 2 means what it is? Half into x. X upon 2 means what? 1 upon 2 into x. So what is the coefficient? Oh yes, exactly. Half. 1 upon 2 is the coefficient. Here, same. 1 upon 2. And here, what it will be? No number. Means what is there? Ah yes, there is 1. But the naughty fellow is there. Who is that? Minus. So minus 1. Okay. So dear friends, remaining examples of question 1, you will do them as homework. Okay. So let's move to question number 2. Now question number 2. Classify the following polynomials in monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these 3 categories? So there may be some of them. Okay, so let us see. Now first one is x plus y. Now I hope you have studied all these 3 types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. What is a monomial? When there is only one single term, then it is called monomial. Binomial, when there are 2 terms involved, then it is called as binomial. And when there are 3 terms involved, it is called as the trinomial. Okay? And so, first one is x plus y. How many terms? 2 terms. How you came to know? From the plus sign. When plus or minus sign is there, then there are 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay? When they are connected by plus or minus sign, okay, then the terms involved we can count. So x plus y. So it is binomial. So x plus y, right? Next is 1000. Okay. So how many terms? One single term, exactly. So 1000 where it should come? Oh yes, sure. 1000 will come in monomial. Exactly. Then third term, x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Where it should come? ना monomial में, ना binomial में, ना trinomial में. तो कहाँ आएगा? Terms other than these. So it is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Do you understand? Then next is 7 plus y plus 5x. How many terms? 3 terms. So where it has to be placed? Oh yes, absolutely right, trinomial. So 7 plus y plus 5x. Okay? Then next, 2y minus 3y square. How many terms? 2 terms. So binomials. 2y minus 3y square. Okay. Then next is 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. तो कितने टर्म हो गए? 1, 2, 3. Trinomial, right? So 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Okay. Then next example. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Again, how many terms? Yes, 3 terms. So it has to be placed in trinomial. So 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Okay, plus 3xy. Then next is 4z minus 15z square. कितने terms है? Oh yes, absolutely 2 terms. So it has to be placed in binomial. 4z minus 15z square. Okay. Then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Oh my God. How many terms? 4 terms. So where it has to be? Term other than these. Okay. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. And then PQR. How many terms? All are in multiplication. P into Q into R. So only one term is there. Okay. And hence it is, oh yes, monomial. Okay. Then next is P square Q plus PQ square. How many terms? 2 terms. So binomial. P square Q plus PQ square. Okay. And the last 2P plus 2Q. Again, how many terms? 2 terms. So it is binomial. 2P plus 2Q. Okay. Now, so this is question number 2. So let's move to the next question. Question number 3. I hope you have understood this. Okay. So now, question 3 is add the following. So you have to go for addition. Okay. So any one of these term you can write first and then go for the second term. Now here also we are going to follow the vertical method. You can do it by horizontal method also. Doesn't matter. The thing is you do it correct. You follow the correct operations. You will get full marks. Okay. But as in book it is vertical method. We are going for vertical method only. Okay. So 2p square q square. Okay. Minus 3pq plus 4. What I am doing? Plus. So that operation has to be shown. Okay. Plus 5. What it is? 5. So where it should come? Below the constant term. See the first sign for here sign. Nothing is there means plus is there. So plus 5. See how to give the signs because they are not in proper order. You can see. And so I have to place one below the other like terms. Okay. I cannot place here 5. Now as it is first, so what sign it should have? So see the sign before it here. Nothing is written. Means what is there? Yes, exactly. It has to be plus. So I write here plus 5. All of you see, please see, plus 5. Okay. Then plus 7 PQ. Like term PQ. So here it will come plus 7 PQ. I hope you understand. Okay. And then minus 3p square q square. Where is p square q square? Here. So this term has to be placed here. So, and what is the sign? Minus. Along with the sign. Don't forget that sign. So minus 3p square q square. Now, no sign changes when it is addition. Do you get it? And so no need to write here the sign changed in bracket because there is no such sign change. Okay. So we will start now. Now here, so p square, q square, write the variables because we are going to deal, operations are to be done with the coefficients. Okay, now this is plus 2, no sign means plus. So plus 2 minus 3. Difference in sign, go for subtraction. So 3 minus 2, 1. And give the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? 2 or 3? 3. What sign it has got? Minus. So give that same sign. Minus sign. So it is minus 1 p square q square. Now here, write pq. Now again, here it is minus 3, here it is plus 7. So difference in sign, go for subtraction. So 7 minus 3, 4. And give the sign of bigger number. कौन bigger number है? 7 या 3? Obviously 7. क्या sign है? Plus sign है. So plus दे दो. Do you get it? And now here, plus plus. Simple. Similarity in the sign, go for addition, give the same sign. So 4 plus 5, 9, give the same sign, plus. Do you get it? So I hope you have understood. Now let's move to the next example from this. Okay. So now fourth example. Okay. Now, so there are, see how many terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Okay. So a bit complicated, you may feel. It's not. It's not. Just follow the basics. Place the similar terms or like terms one below the other. Okay? You will not find it difficult. And the terms which are not similar, go on placing it further. Okay? Now see how I do. So first I will write this. L square plus m square. L square plus m square. What we are doing? Addition. So next term is m square plus n square. So m square, where I should place? Below m square. What sign it has got? Plus. So it has to be plus m square. And what it is? Plus n square. So plus n square. देखिए n square तो है नहीं इस टर्म में, तो वो उसके आगे चला जाएगा. Do you get it? It will go further. Okay. Then next is n square plus l square. Okay. So what is the sign here? Plus. So plus n square. Again, don't forget to write here plus. So plus n square. Okay. And what it is? L square plus L square. So L square below L square. See how I am placing. How I am placing one below the other, like terms. Okay. Then तो अभी ये रहेंगे plus 2lm. कोई है यहाँ पे 2lm? नहीं है. So I am going to write here plus, and where I am going to write here? I am going to write here plus 2lm. Then 2mn. Is there any term here? No, there is no such term. So plus 2mn and plus 2nl plus 2nl. Do you get it? See how I have placed. Now we can do the addition. And don't worry, there are no sign changes. In addition, no such sign changes take place. So now L square plus L square. Write here L square. Variable, we write it as it is. And then we do the operations with the coefficient. Here is nothing. Means what is there? Oh yes, obviously there is 1. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Right? Then who is there? M square. Right? So I'll write the sign afterwards. M square. Okay? Now same sign is there, so plus is going to come. We are going to write the plus. Plus is there. Okay? Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2m square. बाद में कौन है? n square. तो n square को लिखिए. Right? और क्या होगा? Plus 1 plus 1. कितना हो गया? Plus 2. Do you understand? Then write this as it is. There is nothing to add it here. Okay, so plus 2lm plus 2mn and plus 2nl. That is the answer. Now let's move to question number 4, subtraction. So I think you understood this. Now what you have to do, remaining examples of this, first and second, will be homework. Exactly. Okay, so let's move to next question number 4, subtraction. Now see question number 4, subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from whom 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, so this term has to be subtracted from this term. So कौन सा पहला आएगा? Definitely this will come first. Okay, so 12a. So I will write that first term. Okay, just a minute. So I have written this term 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus 4a, similar terms, one below the other, minus 7ab along with their sign plus 3b. Now यहाँ पे तो कुछ difficult नहीं है. Why? Because all the terms are in the same order. So there is no question of worrying about where to place and how to place. Okay, so plus 3b and plus 12. So this operation tells you what you are supposed to do. So sign changes are there. Subtraction, sign changes to explain. Here there is plus sign. So minus into plus. Yes, exactly. Minus. Now I have shown it with circle. Okay. Now minus into minus plus. Okay. And minus into plus, minus, and minus into plus, minus. Okay, or in other words, see here, simple thing, opposite of plus 4a, minus 4a, so minus sign. I have told now, what is subtraction? Adding the opposite of it. So opposite of plus 4a is minus 4a, so minus sign. Adding opposite of minus 7ab is plus 7ab, so plus sign. Adding of plus 3b is minus 3b, so minus sign. Adding of opposite of plus 12, minus 12, because we are doing here subtraction. So subtraction is nothing but adding opposite of that particular number. Or in simple words, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Okay, now let's do our work of subtraction. So write the variable first, a. Now here, plus 12 minus 4, regular subtraction, difference in sign, go for subtraction, 12 minus 4, 8. Give the sign of bigger number. What it is? Plus sign. Okay, then ab. Write here ab. First write the variables. Then let's go for the operation. Minus 9 plus 7. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. 9 minus 7. 2. Give the sign of bigger number. Who is bigger number? 9. What sign it has got? Minus. So give the minus sign. Right? Then plus 5 minus 3. Again. First write the variable and then go for the coefficients. Plus 5 minus 3. So, difference in sign. Go for subtraction. 5 minus 3, 2. Give the sign of bigger number. 5 is the bigger number. What sign it has got? Plus. So, it will have plus sign. Okay. Now, minus 3 minus 12. So, similarity in the sign, go for addition. So 12 plus 3, 15, and give the same sign. So minus sign. Do you get it? I hope you have understood. Let's move to the third example. So now subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. My God, एग्जाम्पल देखकर कभी डर मत जाना. Do you get it? Don't get confused. Believe in your basics and follow them correctly. So what you do? Write the first term that is to be written. So this is the first term to be written. So I have written here already. Okay, minus. Then follow your basics. This term is to be subtracted. So what is the first term? 4p square q. What is the sign here? Plus. So 4p square q. कहाँ पे है? Here it is last. Okay, so I will write here plus 4p square q. See the similar terms, like and unlike term. That's what it is. Then minus 3pq. Where is pq? Here, along with its sign. So minus 3pq, right? Then plus 5pq square. Pq square, where it should come? Here. So it is plus 5pq square. Okay. Then minus 8p. कहाँ पे है p? यहाँ पे. So minus 8p along with the sign. Okay. Then plus 7q. Where it is? See here. So plus 7q along with its sign. And minus 10. So here it will come minus 10. Okay. I hope you have understood. Once you do this now, your job is done. Half done. और उसके आगे 25% हो जाएगा. कैसे? Changing the signs ना, that is too easy. Just minus into minus plus. Write the change sign. Okay? Because that operation I have to do. So I should not forget that. So minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus. What it should be? माइनस. हो गया 75% हो गया. अभी क्या है? सिर्फ ऑपरेशन करना है जो भी साइन के हिसाब से. ओके, सो प्लस 18 प्लस 10. सिमिलैरिटी इन द साइन, गो फॉर एडिशन, गिव द सेम साइन. सो 10 प्लस 18 प्लस 10 28 प्लस साइन, सो प्लस साइन. ओके, देन minus 3p plus 8p. Take the signs which have changed into account. So plus I am going to take. So minus 3p plus 8p. So I will first write the variable. Minus 3 plus 8. Difference in sign, go for subtraction. So 8 minus 3, 5. Who is bigger number? Obviously 8. What sign it has got? Plus. Okay. Then q. So write here q. Okay. Then minus 11 minus 7. Similarity in the sign. Do addition. 11 plus 7, 18. And give the same sign, minus. Okay. Then pq. Write it first. First write the variable. Then go for the coefficients. Decide what operation I have to do. Plus 5 plus 3. Operation addition. Similarity in the sign. 5 plus 3, 8. Sign, same sign. Plus. Then pq square. Okay. Now minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Same sign. Similarity in the sign. Go for addition. 5 plus 2, 7. Give the same sign. Okay. And here p square q. Plus 5 minus 4. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. Give the sign of bigger number. Bigger number 5. What is the sign? Plus. So plus sign. I hope you have understood. Example कितना भी बड़ा हो. Think wisely. Use the basics. You will never make mistakes. So dear students, today we will stop here. Okay. And remaining examples of this question 4 also, you will solve them as homework. So today's homework, what it is, I am writing here below. Okay. So question 1, exercise 9.1, homework. Exercise 9.1, question 1, second, fourth and sixth. Second, fourth and sixth. Okay. Question 2 I have done. So question third, 1 and 2. And question fourth, B. Okay. So this is your homework, and I hope whatever I have taught, that also you are going to write down in the notebook. So let's stop here today. I hope whatever I have taught you have understood, and with that note, let's meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.